In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a video into clips in Wave.video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make clean cuts and isolate the parts you want to turn into clips, all within the built-in editor. First, head to the My Projects page inside Wave.video. This is where all your existing videos live and where you'll start any new editing session. If you already have the video you want to work with, great. Just locate it here. If not, you can upload a file from your computer and let Wave.video process it. Once it appears in your projects, you're ready to continue. Next, click on the video you want to edit or on your newly uploaded file to open its details. From there, choose Edit Video. This launches the Wave.video editor, which gives you access to the timeline, the preview window, and the tools you'll use to split your footage. Now look at the timeline along the bottom. Click directly on the part of your video where you want the cut to happen. You'll see the playhead land at that exact point. It can help to scrub a little before and after, and play a few seconds to confirm you're splitting in the right spot. Getting precise here saves time later, especially if you're aiming for a neat transition. With the playhead in position, click the scissors icon to split. The editor will divide your video at the playhead into separate segments. You'll see distinct pieces on the timeline, making it clear where the break occurred. This doesn't delete anything, it simply creates editable sections so you can work with each part independently. Next, click on the segment near your split that you want to turn into a clip. Selecting it tells the editor, "This is the piece I want to focus on." You should notice that it becomes highlighted on the timeline. At this point, you've effectively created a clip within your project that you can arrange, style, or isolate from the rest of the footage as needed. Finally, preview your selection. Hit play in the preview window to watch that segment from start to finish and make sure the cut feels natural and the content is exactly what you intended. If the timing isn't perfect, no worries. Simply click a different point on the timeline and split again to refine the boundaries, repeating the same process until it looks right. That's it. You navigated to your project, opened the editor, placed a precise split, selected the resulting segment as a clip, and previewed your work. Follow these steps anytime you want to quickly break a longer video into clean,